those are just simple systems. Like when you start to see water, reliably running off your roads at a certain point, yeah, get it off the road, get it into some kind of a ditch, spread it out on contour, put in mulch basins or anything else that's going to turn it from a problem into a solution. But you could integrate, both the creek water source and the road water source into the same water storage mechanism, and then plant fruit trees along that ditch, and also you've got a water valve there. Now you can, if you get into a drought, you can use that same water valve from the creek that's pulling up from here, because you've got that big water storage up there. Now you could use that to drip irrigate your trees or something, or run a sprinkler line along them. You've got all kinds of options.